What's up guys, it's your boy Kledo Vids and I'm back here with another video, and today I'm unboxing the Unagi electric scooter for Model 1, and without further ado, let's get into this dual motor beast. So, here is the box itself. It looks amazing. Maybe my best scooter packaging yet. The quality of this already seems quite nice. So inside it, we have this cool looking box. I believe this is our handlebar. And we have this little packet, all protectively sealed. And we have our EU plug, UK plug to charge the scooter. Just leave that to the side. So inside here, we have a little quick starter guide, piece of blank paper, we have our charging brick, and we have another kind of outlet. I think this is for Americans, because this company, I believe, is American. It's an American company, if I'm correct. We've got a high quality Allen key to screw in the screws for the handlebar. Very neat presentation, very well thought design. This scooter looks so minimalist, it looks so amazing, and this colour looks stunning. I think this is cosmic blue. So just put in the connector like that. The materials of this feel very high quality. Metal, glass. I think this is glass. It's quite smooth, cool to the touch. And now I'll just got I've just got to slide it in right there. and get my screws. So I'm gonna start from this back one at the bottom. I'd say the scooter design is quite unique. I've never seen anything like it. So that's all our screws done. So we're turning on the scooter for the first time. Let's press the power button. If you want to sound our horn, we press this button. Oof, very loud. Very loud horn. We have our brake, we have our throttle, we have this button which changes between our driving modes, and we also have, if we double tap this, we go on dual motor mode. So we have a motor on the front and we have a motor on the back, and some amazing tyres, but we'll get to that in the full review. Stay tuned for that. If we tap it once, our lights come on. That front light is really bright. And yeah, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, turn that notification bell on. We're always making new videos. I'm gonna try and be more consistent. But yeah, stay tuned for the full review. Link to the scooter will be in the description if you want to purchase it now. And without further ado, peace.